In the PBT Institute, we have open Q&A with me. And every month, I also bring on one of our coaches. Our coaches specialize in everything: divorce, reconciliation, forgiveness, chronic pain, addiction, self-growth. They specialize in everything. So I had our coach on who specializes in separation and divorce. And we had a few of our members on the call who have been working with her. And they've also been working, some of them have been working with me as well. And we were really talking about how when you're rebuilding, it's not the big things that you're doing differently. It's these seemingly insignificant daily changes over time that make a huge impact. So it's really an opportunity when you're out of a relationship and when you're healing. Who do you want to be? How do you want to show up? What do you want to do? What do you want to let go of? What is no longer a part of you? What is no longer a representation of the old you? And one of the things I always see as someone moves from stage 3 to stage 4, the hardest, stage 3 out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, stage 3 is the hardest one to leave. But I use this analogy of if moving to stage 4 is like moving. If you've ever moved to a new house, office, condo, apartment, whatever, all your stuff isn't there yet. It's not quite cozy yet, but you're like, okay, we can do this. That's what stage 4 feels like. But think about this. If you were to move, you don't bring everything with you. You don't bring the things that don't represent who you want to be in your new space. So there are certain habits that don't go along with you. There are certain beliefs and behaviors that don't come along with you. There are certain friends that don't come along with you. It is very deliberate and intentional. So in order to decide what it is you want to be in that new stage, take a look at those little things. And it's not the big things in how to make these changes. It's the little changes. If you were to start right now and you were to, make a change and just chip away at it every single day, who would you be in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days? It's such a beautiful opportunity to create habits, behaviors, versions of you that otherwise would never have the opportunity to be created if your situation didn't happen. So lots to share. We do all this within the PBT Institute, but follow for more.